Welcome to Instalearn AI. Google Cloud Data Engineer Certification Prep. Hands-on labs and tutorials. We will start by walking through the fundamentals of Google Cloud. Step by step. To begin, you need to log in. You can log in using the student ID provided in the lab. Or you can practice directly on the Google Cloud Console using your own account. For this learning, we will be using the Google Cloud Console. Introduction to Google Cloud. Google Cloud is a suite of cloud services hosted on Google's infrastructure. It includes services for computing, storage, data analytics, machine learning, and networking. You will interact with these services through the Cloud Console. This is a web-based user interface. Google Skills and Lab Platform. Google Skills is the platform where you can access Google Cloud labs and courses. It allows you to follow learning paths, track your progress, and earn badges. All labs in the Google Data Engineer Learning Path run on the QuickLabs platform. This platform provides temporary cloud environments for hands-on practice. Step 1. Access the Cloud Console. Click on Open Google Cloud Console. Sign in using the provided student ID. Or use your own Google Cloud account. Enter the password. Accept the terms. And continue. You have now successfully accessed the Cloud Console. Step 2. View projects. In Google Cloud, resources are organized into projects. In the Cloud Overview dashboard, you will find information such as the project name, project number, project ID, and settings. A project contains resources such as virtual machines and databases. Configuration settings. And access permissions. To view projects, click the project drop-down at the top of the console. Then select All Projects. You may see multiple projects, including a shared resources project. Do not switch projects unless instructed. Navigation menu. Click the navigation menu in the top left corner. This menu provides access to all Google Cloud services. Click View All Products and explore categories such as compute, storage, networking, and machine learning. Step 3. Roles and permissions. Go to the navigation menu. Select IAM and Admin. Then click IAM. This page shows users, roles, and permissions. Basic roles include Viewer, which provides read-only access. Editor, which allows you to modify resources. And Owner, which gives full access including permission management. To grant access, click Grant Access. Add a new user or modify an existing user. All users must have a valid Google account. Assign a role such as Viewer or Editor. Then click Save. You have now assigned a role to a user. Step 4. Enable APIs. APIs allow Google Cloud services to communicate and provide functionality. Go to the navigation menu. Select APIs and Services. Then click Library. A new page will open. Search for Dataflow API. Click on it and select Enable. Once enabled, the API can be used in your project. You can also explore API usage metrics such as traffic, errors, and performance. This completes the basic walkthrough of accessing the Cloud Console, working with projects, managing permissions, and enabling APIs. If you found this helpful, do not forget to subscribe Instalearn AI and like the video. See you in the next video.